Hello guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. First of all, before you go to the video, let's go to my YouTube channel, Power of Mindset Yields, so that you guys, you can find me, and if you like such type of content, you can subscribe and do me a favor. This is the channel we are talking about, guys. This is my channel, right? When you search, you will be able to discover my website, rather my YouTube channel. Can you do me a favor and subscribe? So therefore, let's go straight away to the point into today's video. Once we take a look at VIX 10, you can see we are on H1 time frame, and we are talking about the kind of reversal, a technique that can help you to get perfect entries in forex trading. We are looking at the 3 drive. And what is the 3 drive, guys? This is the 3 drive we are talking about. This is one, right? Now let me show you the second one. This is the second one. Let me show you the third one. This is the third one, right? So let me just make my lines perfect.
3D reversal trade setup. 3D reversal.
We are expecting price to do this by just coming back here, all right, and then it can reverse, and you can find your perfect entry. Another confirmation you can get, you can see that we already have this. Let me show you. We already have this, which is at the overbought region, and therefore we can expect a reversal. Then this is a broker. This candle, let me show you. This is the candle we are talking about, the green candle, right? Let me show you something again. All right. This is the candle we are talking about, right? Which is called a breaker. It was able to break this region. It was able to break this region, then it came back. So again, another confirmation we see. Let me show you another confirmation. We see this one. This low has been broken to the downside, and therefore we are only waiting for a lower high so that we can sell, and the lower high is expected in here in this region. All right, so guys, the other thing, the other confirmation is the H4. When we go to the H4 time frame, all right, let me show you. Let me show you a little bit, right? First delete this. So when you go to the H4, you can see we already have a bullish, rather a bearish engulfing pattern in here, right? A very powerful bearish engulfing. And another confirmation, where is it happening, guys? If we go to daily, right, let me show you. Let me just put, you can see we are on a support. We are on a support level. Look here, guys. Let me show you. We are on a support, not a support, rather a resistance zone. We are on a resistance zone, and we have seen an H4 bearish engulfing, and on H1 we have seen a 3 drive pattern, guys. This is the current market, and if you are lucky and you watch this video, I hope you will be able to take this signal and a trade setup. It is very, very profitable, and you can target these areas. Let me show you. Let me show you. You can target this zone for your first take profits, right, on H1, and you can as well go on H4 to target this zone over here, where we have the fair value gap. Look. Where we have this fair value gap, that would be your second TP. All right. So with that being said, I hope you can grasp an idea from this setup I'm sharing on VIX 10 1S. It is very highly profitable, and you can see we are and oil price has broken the 20 moving average, and this is the 20 moving average I'm talking about. This is the 20 moving average I'm talking about. Price has broken this 20 moving average, and it has again closed below. It has closed below this second lower low. So we are having that confidence that price is going to move lower. All right. So what may I normally ask this question myself in my trading plan? What will trigger price to give me the entry or to give me the lower high? When you go to H4, I'm expecting this moving average, 20 moving average on H4 to push price higher. This one, which will give me an entry. All right. So all we have to do is to exercise patience, guys, and we can see how we can kill the market and have something to pocket. All right, make money online, make money through trading, forex trading, synthetic indices, stock market. This strategy works everywhere in the financial markets. And if you like such type of content, please subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Above all, turn on the notification bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. I wish you the best as we hustle through online businesses. Good luck.